Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're piggybacking off a previous video where we cleaned a whole fish. We're going to take that same whole fish, a Branzino, and we're going to roast it, but first we're going to stuff it with some delicious herbs, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. It's going to be a real simple meal. Something easy that can be done any day of the week, especially if you're short on time. So let's head over to the table. Let me show you some of the ingredients we're going to be working with. So here's all of our ingredients. We have a Branzino, head off, and deboned for the most part. We have some lemon slices, a little bit of garlic, sage, olive oil, this wonderfully fragrant dill, some rosemary, and parsley. Now when stuffing this, all we're going to do is we're going to take our Branzino, lay it flat, brush it with a little bit of olive oil, and start stuffing things in. Now we're going to take our ingredients one by one and start stuffing them. Grab everything you're going to need. And we won't need all this, but we want enough to fill it up. And we really don't have to cut much. The only thing I cut up was the garlic. The first thing I like to do is take a little bit of olive oil and go ahead and just, if you can, brush it all along the inside. Next, I'll take a few sage leaves. Put them on the inside. Take your rosemary, lay that in there, maybe a little extra. And your dill. You can be pretty liberal with the dill. The dill's got such a great flavor when it comes to this Branzino. And now our parsley. I'm going to try to remove some of the stalk, but you don't have to go crazy. Perfect. See that? Now take your lemon slices, and actually, I'm going to slice these in half once more. So I have these nice semicircles. All there is to do now is just fold it over. Again, I'm going to take a little bit more of this olive oil, just kind of drizzle it over the top. Take some of my garlic, sprinkle that over the top. And then we need another sheet of foil to cover that. Make sure to cover all around. All right, let's head over to the oven. Set your oven to bake, and we're gonna go to 350. When that's ready, all that's left to do is put it in the oven. We're gonna center rack that for about 15 to 20 minutes. While the fish is in the oven, I decided I'm gonna make a little bit of barley. This will be a nice little side to go along with it. Our fish is almost done, so I'm gonna start plating. I'm going to start with the barley that I just made. This barley is pretty simple. Whoop. It's just a little bit of carrot, some garlic, some onion, and I cooked the barley in a little bit of a chicken broth. All right. Let's pull out that fish. Ooh, that fish should be nice and steamed now. Oh, so tender. Cover that little piece up with a lemon. Okay, let's give it a try. It's really light, tasty. Those herbs really give it a good flavor. Let's have another little bite here. Now just be careful, because if you didn't pull out any of those pin bones, you will feel those. Good. Wonderful. Well, everyone, thank you very much. I hope that was a easy recipe to follow. It's pretty easy. It's just fish, some herbs, lemon, olive oil, garlic. You can throw a little bit of extra salt and pepper on there if you wanted, but I like it just the way it is. It doesn't take away from the flavor of the fish itself. Well, everyone, thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day, morning, evening. Catch you later.